Hi guys, today I will be talking to you about SolidWorks. How to, suppose if you have like this, how to bend them into round shape using flex command. So I made this. I hope everybody know how to make this. Just let me start from beginning. Suppose if you don't know, huh? Just go to any plane, click center and make any dimension that you prefer. Like, let me have like 5 mm here. So I'm going to extrude this like 3 mm. And then I'm going to use flex command here. This is the flex command to bend it. Once this comes up, just select this and then unclick this hard edges. If you click this, it will come like this, you know. You need to put 360-degree here. If you uncheck this, if you check this, it will come like this. See? You don't see that finished fully thing, you know. So you need to uncheck it. (360-degree). See, it is coming like this. So that's how you bend a straight piece into a round piece. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe our channel so that you can get more details about our training on SolidWorks. Thank you. Bye.